this video, I'll be showing you how to draw a super cute kawaii mermaid. Let's get started. Alright, you're going to start out with your outline color. I'm doing black, and you're just going to draw a sort of round oval. Alright, once you're done with that, you're going to add a layer, and you're going to draw the body, which is just going to be a half oval, a lot smaller than the head. Alright, now we're going to do the tail. For that, you're going to add a layer and make a sort of flattened out arc for the top of the tail, a more curved arc for one side of the tail, and a longer curved arc for the other. You're just going to go down to the layer where the body is and erase the part of the body that's covered by the tail so it's not showing. And once you're done with that, you're going to add a layer, and this is going to be for the arms, and they're just going to be cute little nubs on each side of the mermaid. One can be facing up like it's waving, one can be facing down, it doesn't matter. So the reason I am putting all the different parts on different layers is because it makes it a lot easier to fix or edit the arms like I'm doing right here, or like if I need to move the head down a little bit or change the hairstyle, I don't have to erase parts of the head or tail. Okay, you're going to add a layer, and this is going to be for the clothes. I'm going to add a line, sort of curved, right underneath the arm that I put that's waving, and another one right under that first line, and there you go. That's the clothes. Okay, I'm going to add one more layer, and this one's going to be for the hair. For the hair, I'm going to give her bangs and sort of like a curly wavy hair. For the bangs, you're just going to draw one curve on one side and a line and a longer curve that almost leads all the way to the other one for the bangs. I'm giving mine really big bangs. And then you're going to draw the hair in the back. You can do this however you like. I'm just going to give her bangs and sort of waist-long hair. Okay, you're going to go down to the layer with the head, and you're just going to erase all of the head that is inside the hair so that it doesn't look like her hair is clear, and it'll just make it a lot, oh my goodness, I cannot talk right now. It'll make it look a lot cleaner. Okay, your layer should look something like this. You should have 7 layers, and for the 7th layer, it should be blank, and this is going to be for the eyes and the face. So you're just going to draw a circle, color that in, another circle on the other side of the face, and just that. And then you're just going to draw the mouth. You're going to take a smaller brush size. I'm using 5, and I am just going to draw a cute little curve right in the middle of the face for the mouth. Now I'm drawing the eyelashes on each side of the eye. I'm just doing 2 little lines with the size 5 brush. Now we're going to draw the tail fins. You're going to add a layer, so now you should have 8 layers. I'm going to use the size 5 brush still and make sort of like almost complete ovals on the end of the tail. There we go. And here I'm just erasing part of the tail to make it nice and neat. There we go. And after, I'm just going to fix up the tail fins a little bit so they look nice and neat. I'm going to put a cute little bow on the top of my mermaid's head. I'm just going to draw the center of the bow where the knot would be, and the ribbons that are tied out of the bow, like that. And I'm going to give it cute little ribbons on the bottom too. Okay, so you're going to go down to the hair layer and just erase all the hairline that is inside the bow so it looks nice and neat. There we go, there we go. And now we're going to merge all the layers together so that there are only one layer with the outline. You're going to reference it and then add a layer. Bring the reference layer to the top so that we can add color underneath. And I'm going to give my mermaid a dark blue tail with light blue fins and clothes. Okay, once you're done with the clothes and tail, you're going to move on to the skin. So I'm just going to make a tan and color in the face, the arms, and the tummy. For the back arm, that is sort of towards the back, I did a darker tan to give it more depth. Okay, you're going to add a layer and then you're going to choose whatever color you like. I'm doing dark purple. There we go. I'm just going to color in the hair this way, and then you're going to add one more layer, and this is going to be for the bow. I'm doing bright red. You can do whatever color you want again. Now we're going to go back to the layer with the skin tone, and we're going to do the shading. You're just going to click on that little bar that has all your colors you've already used and take the tone that's darker than your original skin tone and just shade wherever the light would not have hit. Alright, I'm going to shade towards the bottom of the tail, the bottom of the back fin, and the bottom of the front fin, and the bottom of the clothes. Okay, open layers and go to the layer with the hair. Take a darker purple, I'm using sort of a bluish purple here, and just shade where the bow is and the bottom of the bangs, where the arm is, and everywhere else where you think the light would not hit. I also like to put two little curved lines on the top of the bangs for like a little bit of shading in the hair. You're going to add a layer and then you're going to choose white. This layer is going to be on top of all the other layers. This is going to be for the shine in the eye. And I'm just going to do two little ovals. You can do whatever you want. Stars, hearts, a cat, it doesn't matter. Okay, I signed my artwork and I forgot to put the cute little kawaii cheeks on each side of the eye, so you can do that with a light pink. And there we go. This should be on the same layer as the eye shine so that it kind of goes over the outline and gives it like more of an animated look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more artsy crafty videos. Bye!